Rainy.
Delta Helium Fusion luggage, 50% off. Macy's 4th of July sale. Savings off regular, original, exclusions apply.
Discover Card wants you to get your 5% cashback bonus on summer fun. Buy a book, we'll give you 5% back, even if you don't read it. Stay in a hotel, we'll give you 5% back, even if you take a towel. Go to a theme park, we'll give you 5% back, even if you scream like a little girl on the rides. And of course, 5% back on gas. Get you to all your summer fun. So use your Discover Card this summer and get your cashback bonus. Discover Card. Pay to discover. Limitations apply. Sign up at discover.com or call 1-800-DISCOVER.
What if summer came with a guarantee? That your backyard barbecue would be free of mosquito bites. Or you'd never say, don't make me turn this car around on your road trip. Your Sam's Club guarantee. Join this summer and you can save enough in 90 days to more than pay for your membership. Get outstanding values on everything from travel essentials to fresh meats for the grill. You'll see the savings or we'll refund your membership. Risk-free and guaranteed. That's how summer should be. Sign up at your local Sam's Club or samsclub.com.
Oh, yeah.
Apply at a turbocharged. Dish out thanks to an offers superior fuel. A customized home. And since it's racing, plenty of room to bring a couple of buddies along. And check out the new Wild. All in all, it's the perfect PW.